Hello guys, I'm Dr. Pradeep Kumar Srivastava, welcoming to all of you in my surveying class. Today's topic is characteristic of contour and contour interval. On two matter we will discuss at tomorrow, or today, characteristic of contours. So today we will discuss what is the properties, what is the habit, what is the nature of contour. Second, contour interval. How we maintain an interval between contour, how it defined, how we can check. So let us start this topic today. Dear boy, so on the start of class, we will soundly study what is the characteristic of contour. The contours have the following characteristic. Contour line must close, not necessarily in the limit of the plan. Contour line must close, not necessarily in the limit of the plan. And widely spaced contour indicate flat surface. Closely spaced contour indicate steep ground, and equally spaced contour indicate uniform slope. Regular contour indicate uneven surface approximately and approximately concave close contour with decreasing value toward center indicate a pond, and approximately concave close contour with increasing value toward center indicate hills. Contour line with U shape with convexly towards lower ground indicate ridge, and contour line with V shape with convex toward higher ground indicate valley. So contour line generally do not meet or intersect such other, and it line are meeting in some portion. It shows existence of vertical cliff. So this is the characteristic. A contour line is a line drawn on the topographic map to indicate ground elevation or depression. So a contour interval is the vertical distance or difference in elevation between contour line index. So index contours are bold or thicker line that appear at every fifth contour line. Are you understand? When we are just wait. When we are no, this is not. When we are drawing the contour line and now next first 2, 3, 4, and after that like this for the showing intervals. Okay, so a contour line, a line drawn on the topographic map to indicate ground elevation or depression. So a contour interval is the vertical distance difference in elevation between contour line and index contour are bold or thicker line that appear at every fifth contour line. Every fifth contour line. Thereby, if the number associated with a specific contour line are increasing, the elevation of the terrain is also increasing if the number associated with the contour line are decreasing. There is a decrease in elevation. As a contour approach a stream, canyon, or drainage area, so the contour line run upstream and they then cross the stream and turn back along the opposite bank of the stream forming a V. A round contour indicate a filter or wider drainage or spur. So contour line tend to enclose the smallest area on the ridge top, which are often narrow, are very limited in the spiral extent. Sharp contour point indicate pointed ridge. You can understand like this. When contour draw now so this is the river, this is the Nala, and one bank is turning here, and one is turning here. One is coming from here, one is coming from here. Around contour indicate if flatter or wider drainage is poor. Contour line and to close the smallest area or a ridge top which are often narrow or very limited in spital extent. Sharp contour point indicate pointing ridge. A contour interval is a vertical distance or a difference in elevation between contour line. So index contour are bold or thicker line that appear at every fifth contour line or a contour interval in the survey at the vertical distance or the difference in elevation between the two contour line in a topographical map. A contour line also isoline, isopath or isartham, a function of two variables is a curve along with the function had constant value so that the curve join or equal value. It is a plane section of three-dimensional graph of the function fxy parallel to the xy and plane in cartography in the contour line, often just called a contour. So joint point of the equal elevation height above a given level such as mean sea level. A contour map is a map illustrated with contour line, for example, a topographic map, which thus shows valley or hill and steepness or gentleness of slope. The contour interval of the contour map is the difference in elevation between the successive contour lines. Contouring in surveying, the determination of elevation of various points on the land and fixing these points of same horizontal position in the contour map. In the land property world and contour is an outline of the mass of the land. So main objective of conductive contour survey is to identify any noticeable difference in elevation of the existing land, and in land surveying a contour map is a map illustrated with contour line. For example, a topographic map which thus shows always and hill and the steepness of the gentleness of slope. A contour line that may be defined as an imaginary line passing through the point of equal devotion. A contour line may also be defined as the intersection of a level surface the surface of Earth. When the contours are drawn underwater, they are termed as the submarine contour, and fathoms are bathymetric curve. This is the best method of representation of features such as hills, depression, underwater on the two-dimensional paper. The vertical distance between conjunctive contours is termed as contour interval. So it is desirable to have a consistent contour interval throughout the map. Contour interval is inversely proportional to the scale of the map. For projects such as highway and railway, it's equal to 2.0 meter for earthwork, building site, dams, city survey, it's equal to 0.5 meter. So geological survey is equal to 6 to 15 meter. Therefore, this is the contouring. This is the level of contour. This. Now, contouring definition, objective contour, interval, horizontal, equivalent use, and characteristic of contour lines. Method of the plotting contour, direct and indirect method of contour gradient. So this is the leveling and contouring. This is the portion. This is the 40. So this is the 40 contour. A contour line may be retained as an imaginary line passing through point of equal reduced level, and a contour line may also be defined at the intersection of levels with the surface of the earth. Thus, contour line on a plan instruct the topography of the area. For X, a contour of 90 indicates that all the points on this line have area of 90 meters. So similarly, in a contour of 89 meters, all the points have area of 89 meters and so on. This is the contour line. This is elevation and this is the line. The vertical distance between two conjunctive contour is known as a contour interval. This is contour interval. For XM map, indicate contour line of 90 meter, 89 meter, 88 meter, and so on. The contour interval is 1 meter. This interval depends upon the following factor: the nature of the ground, that is the feather, flat or strip, so the scale of the map and the purpose of the survey. So contour interval diagram of this. Contour interval for a flat ground are generally a small, that is 0.25 meter, 0.5 and 0.75. So the contour interval for a steep slope in a hilly area is generally greater, that is 5 meter, 10 meter or 15 meter, etc. Again, for a small scale map, the interval may be 1 meter, 2 meter and 3 meter. So contour interval is kept large up to 2 meter for project and such as highways, railways, where it is kept at the small, and 0.5 meter for the measurement of the earthwork, building work, site, dam, etc. So it is desirable to have a constant contour interval for a particular map. Horizontal equivalent. So the horizontal distance between any two conjective contours is known as a horizontal equivalent, and it is not constant. It varies from the point to point depending upon the steepness of the ground. So steeper the ground, larger is the horizontal equivalent. Now, use of contour map. Contour map. Contour map provide variable information about the topography of the area, whether it is a flat or undulating or mountainous. They study a contour map. The following are the specific use of the contour map. And find the proposal out of the communication between different places. So the capacity of reservoir and the area of submergence can be computed. The capacity of reservoir and the area of submergence can be computed. The ascertain in the individuality of a station and the acceleration of the profile of the ground surface along my direction, and a suitable route for given gradient can be marked on the map. So the estimate of the quantity of cutting and filling extra. Then know the drainage characteristic of the area. It helps to select site for culvert, bridge, drainage system. And this is the your contour map. So you can see this is the contour map. This is the real and this is the contour map. Characteristic. Again, we are distinct characteristic of contour. Since every point on the contour line had the same elevation, A contour map with a constant interval portrays the conformation of the ground in characteristic manner. So the knowledge of contour characteristic help in identifying the natural feature of the area. From the given map and it avoiding mistake in plotting the contour correctly. Characteristic of contour you can see in this picture. The following characteristic help in the plotting or reading a constant map. So at the point on the contour line have the same elevation and the elevation of the contour are indicated either be inserting the figure in a break a respective contour or printed close the contour. Now two contour lines do not intersect with each other and contour line always form a closed circuit, but each line may be within the outside and the limit of the map contour do not have sharp curve. This is the characteristic of contour. The contour lines are closer near the top of hill or higher ground and wide apart near the foot. So this indicates a very steep stop toward the peak and the flatter slope toward the foot. The contour lines are closer near the bank of the pond or depression and wide towards the center, and this indicates a steep slope near the bank and the flatter slope at the center. So unfortunately, a speed contour line indicates a uniform slope. This is the characteristic of contour. This diagram is clearly so. This is the characteristic of contour. A detail of given. This is the characteristic of contour. Now, a series of closed contour always indicate a depression or summit. The lower value being inside the loop indicates a depression and the higher value being inside the loop indicate a summit. Hello. So contour detect uphill, the valley line and downhill at the ridge line. So contour line in a U shape cross a ridge and V shape cross a valley and at ridge angle The connectivity in the contour line is towards higher ground in the case of ridge and towards lower ground in the case of valley. Contour line meeting at a point so indicate a vertical steep. Contour line cannot cross one another except in the case of overhanging cliff. But the overhanging portion must be shown by the dotted line like this. This is a typical feature of their contour form. Typical land feature of their contour form. Now method of contouring. So contouring required the planimetric position of the point whose elevation have been determined by leveling and the method of contouring at the horizontal as well vertical position of the several points in the area. Boldly, the method can be divided into following two classes: direct method, indirect method. In the direct method of contouring, the reduced level of the various selected points on a contour line are obtained and their position are located. So the contour are then drawn by joining these points. And it is a very accurate method, but slow and tedious. This method is employed only for small area where superior accuracy is demanded. The method of locating contours directly consists of horizontal and vertical control. The horizontal control for a small area can be exercised by a chain or tape and a large area by compass. So the theodolite or plane table for practical for vertical control, either a level and staff or a hand level may be used. So this is the method of contouring. By level and staff, the method consists of locating a series of points on the ground having the same elevation by using a level and leveling staff. Instrument is set up in such a way that the number of reading can be taken from the area and to be surveyed, and the instrument is the setup and RL of HI is determined from the nearest benchmark. For a particular contour value, so the staff reading is worked out. A series of points having the same staff reading is worked out, and thus the same elevation are plotted and joined by the smooth curve. By hand leveling, the principle used the same as that used in the method using a level and staff instead of the hand level, and a bell level may also be used. And however, this method is very rapid and preferred for the certain work. Method of contouring. So indirect method are less expensive, less time consuming, and less tedious are compared with the direct method. This method are commonly employed in small scale survey of the large area. There are three different ways of employing the indirect method of contouring. So grid method, cross-sectional method, and radial time method or technometric method. So grid method, if the area is not large, it is divided into grid or series of square. So the grid size may vary from 5 meter into 5 meter to 25 meter into 25 meter. So depending upon the nature of the ground, the contour interval, and the scale of the map, so the grid corner are marked on the ground, and spot level of these of corner then determined by normal method of leveling and using of level. The grid is plotted to the scale of map, and the spot level of the grid corner are entered. The contours of desired value are then logged by interpolation. So this method is very suitable for a small open area where contours are required in the closed vertical interval. And this is the example of the practical contouring. This is also. Now cross-sectioning method. In this method, suitable spaced, suitable speed cross-section are projected and either side on the center line of the area. So several points are chosen at responsible distance at the either side. The observations are made in the usual manner and with a level, and the cross-sectional line are plotted to the scale, and the point on each line and the mark and the reduced level are integrated. The contour of desired value are then located by interpolation. So this main method is suitable for the road, railway, and canal. survey. Of radial line method or technometric method. In this method, a number of radial lines are set out the known angular interval, that is 15 degree to 30 degree at each station. The point of selected on the line depend on the nature of the ground surface. So instead of the level, the technometer may be used and the observation are taken on the stop station and two elevation and distance are the calculated. So it traverses a radial line and plotted to the scale RL of the point intrigued and the corner of desired value are the located by interpolation. This method is convenient in the area. So there were you have read a related topic and I want to ask you some multiple question asked regarding this chapter. So please give me reply. Question number one. Which of the following is caused by careless handling? And its correct answer is B, that is the cross error. A system will be error free if we remove the all systematic error. Is it true or false? Correct answer is B, and it is false. Next question, a negative deflection shows that the magnetic meridian is to the, and what is the correct answer? Correct answer is my dear boy B, western side of the true meridian. And next question, a series of closely split contour line and represent a, so correct answer is A, that is the slip slope. A telescope is said to be inverted if it, so which is the correct answer? Correct answer is A, vertical circle, at to right, and the bubble of the telescope is down. Now an angle of 45 with a chain line will be set out with optical square and open cross stop. Correct answer is C, and French cross stop. Next question. A level line is a, so What is the correct answer? So correct answer is B, line parallel to the mean spherical surface of the earth. And next question, a gate cap is fitted with, so it is the correct answer is D, prismatic compass. And last question, a long 0, 0. So the correction to be employed, such 30 meter chain and length. So what is the correct answer? Correct answer is A. This is the 32nd. This is the reference book. This is the also reference book. And thank you very much for taking interest in my class. You are welcome in my next class.